Let us try this question number 38, where it is asked to find out what is the current through this 100 ohm resistance connected to a cell of 3 volt. So we don't know what is the current here, and we neither know what is the current here. So we can assume the main current, let's say, is I. This is I, and this I current is splitting into, let's say, I1, and to this it is going to be I minus I1. So in this branch we have current I1, and in this branch we have I minus I1, and again the two currents, one is I1 coming from there, and here I minus I1, again they are mixing here to become I. They're joining each other to become I. So let's apply now simply the Kirchhoff's law, Kirchhoff's second law, to the loop, to this loop. So from here to here no change, from here to here it is minus 100 I1, from here to it is minus 3, higher potential, lower potential. So the change in EMF, the change in potential from here to here due to EMF is 3 volt, so minus 3. And then from here to here we are going against the current, so potential is increasing. Potential increases against the direction of flow in the resistance, not in the cell. So it is going to be plus 6 into I minus I1, the loop over sums up to 0. So minus 100 I1 minus 6 I1 becomes minus 106 I1 plus 6I, and minus 3 comes on the right side. It becomes minus 3 becomes plus 3. Equation number 1, let it be. Okay, now let us apply our Kirchhoff's law, voltage law, to this rectangular loop. Okay, let's apply this here. So from here to here it is plus 4.5, from here to it is minus 3I, so 3I, and from here to here it is minus 6 into I minus I1, loop over becomes 0. Okay, so from here to here plus 4.5 minus 3I minus 6I minus I1. So minus 3I minus 6I becomes minus 9I. So 4.5 is equal to minus 9I goes that side, becomes 9I, and minus minus becomes plus 6I1, going that side becomes minus 6I1, minus 6I1. So this is your equation number 2. Now solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. So how would you solve 1 and 2? Here it is 6I, here it is 9I. So what you can do, you can multiply this by 3, ये 18 हो जाएगा. Multiply it by 2, this will become also 18. So let's multiply 3 there. So this is 3, 18, I1 plus 18 I equals to 9. And here I multiply 2, so this is 9, 18, and 2 here minus 12 I1. Now you can subtract. If you subtract these two, 18 will cancel, 9 will also cancel, and I1 is coming 0. I1 is coming 0. So no current is passing there, and therefore if I put I1 0 here, I am getting I is equal to 4.5 upon 9, which is 0.5 ampere. Let's verify this. 6 plus 3 is 9, and 9 into 0.5, because if there is no current flowing here, so this whole branch is going to be cancelled, and you know this 0.5 ampere will pass here, so it is 1.5. From here to here potential fall will be 3 into 0.5, it is 1.5, and again the current flowing is 0.5, so 0.5 into 6 is 3. तो यहाँ से यहाँ 1.5 जितना पोटेंशियल घट रहा है, फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर 3 वोल्ट जितना पोटेंशियल घट रहा है, so 1.5 and 3 becomes 4.5. It's all consistent.